Ghana, country situated in the western part of Africa, of more scholars. Many of the youth have completed the universities, having their master's degree, some being doctors and others. The youth are very active, but there's not enough jobs in the country. Therefore, they don't get access to the jobs of their choice, which is very sad. Since they have no access to the jobs, they decided to live a life of hustlers, which is living using their minds to play or deceive others for a living. Lucky Angel K. Jamina, a great IT expert in 1935, built a software which will help the movie industry, but unfortunately died after building it. Ever since then, no one get access to this software, therefore became a secret software with a biometric code. A studio manager called Mr. Frimpong, who is very good in research, find that particular software that will help the movie industry. Since he was not an expert in IT, he tried to get a certain IT expert to help him get the software. He was a famous manager, had many great men who are very famous. He contacted some of his friends and fortunately got 6 applications of certain guys who thinks coming in contact with them will help him get the software. A guy of a nice structure with the age of 28 years, studied dondology, is now an acrobatist. He is with the name Dominion. Handsome looking gentleman with the age of 22 years, having a degree in computer science, is now a truck pusher. He is with the name Andy. A beautiful lady with the age of 25 years, having a degree in accounts, is now a pure water seller. She is with the name Akusia Prema. A girl with the age of 25 years, who is a Bachelor of Science, is now a Kayayu. She is with the name Obapa. A guy who is a very brilliant with the age of 27 years, having a degree in mathematics, is now a roadside robber. He is with the name Sack. A nice guy called Don, fortunately, got a job as a movie editor.
it on, bring it on. You, bring it on. You,
life know the sweet though, eh? If some people know the hate too. So use the number 6 so and calculate, you go see the ratio. The beef self na meat yo, whether na atsu, them relate to. So bring your own crayfish yo, we go mix so, oh la. Shane and them talk say, we no go blow. Share them they see us now, we don't they glow. Take a look at me now, take a look at me now. We're running things in this town, can't you see?
I don't care who you are, where you from.
All the names listed above come to a place of no idea. A voice came out telling them reasons for them to be there and the purpose of their gathering. Akusia Prema.
Arivan kallum thooki poidunnon paidal pole tholu mele
Dominion.
उसकी भुजाएं बदलें कथाएं भागीरथी तेरी तरफ शिव जी चले देख जरा ये विचित्र माया
Sa
So see, I'm on your money, didn't you? I'm saying, Major to say, move to me, then you see you are a man. Some mamma sang. First of all, we have a sign. Son, we have a sign, Mamma. Secretary. Secretary, I'm on your agenda. What you have to do somebody in the studio, baby. Now, we talk to her and say, I'm saying, Mamma, so was to be a more dancing. To be a bit so, and the members of which in the studio, I agree.
Hereby swear.
I hereby swear to
Abide by all.
abide by all
Rules and regulations.
rules and regulations
Of Ghanamusic Studio.
of Ghanamusic Studio.
So help me God.
They all understood the purpose of their gathering and swear an oath to stay tuned with each other and form the crew. Now having the queue, they all decided to push one of them for the software. Andy, being an IT expert, agreed to search for it. Being the group, they all agreed and swear to help search for it with all their efforts.
Guys, at long last, the battle outside.
Come on, Kuruma.
Stop when the nation.
What's it?
Stop when the nation. I need more than more. I need him now more than the software now. And go. More than than or the software now. Yanka say be se fia moso mensu na me se ade ameyo ka kire mo se software na me ko am fantu no ho e fa me fan sha me ho I will see you now there papi na papi na papi nsu fia ha thank you I will see a kwa monti give it to me na ko Dr. Kwaku
let you say ye be boy pass Yanko Dr. Kwaku ati ko fact wa kasa yanko bi wuya yanko bi wuya I don't go for me ko I know they love fight me pen to kwa send na me free cause on the pen to me give me blow that monkey can't stop from me boy need you was sound so much send me dey cool my no do deliver them rapon and check mo beti me nyumu no clean follow once now copy me crow relax bibia am renye dro some say the guy be mad
sorry keeping you long my brankasa be patient be naja like no family operation is going on yeah so very cool very cool hey me too catch it hey now bibi aboko de ja me na man say me ba be so oh yeah hey when it's ya any Monday we be sure we ejuma my busy oh summer father no hospital the meeting that's good. Oh no. Because I'm said we no one come up on. Are serious? Yeah, Hannah made it. Okay. See, I'll call you. No one meeting me. Here, this uncle. Once it's in the office. And you man and Monday there. You man my busy. How cool. Oh, how cool. And I'm happy here. Let's obufour what you want. The last time I count months to crash shrimp. Hey, in the end, I'm here share kakra. I buy an idea, bro. Oh, you are very cool. My friend, I feel. Hey, Mrs. Sow. Hey, yeah, sure. Yeah. Baba had a milk out. When I check it right. My say, my Tinea, man, I say, hey, now the oncoming corner. My Farana. Okokra, catch yourself and what it. Hey, one should be. I ain't checking. Now, are you here? Benedicta. Ma, me tell you catch me. Yeah. Me am losing the contact. Do not mean to say if when I meet you, I'll collect it. Nah, I say me need your contact today. Me smell lost this. But I say we are say the area back meet. You could share. Na area. Martin, and the moment check out. Checking on my
say the guy be mad.
The nice guy, the senior brother of Akosia Preman, who also risked his life for the safety of his neighbors. He is called Maxino.
Lovely one. Lovely one. Let's say. Oh wow. I'm not pay. Where do I add it? Watching it. I'm a quick man. What did you?
Yes, Ghana.
Oh, Opa. I think our friend and Nasi will be his canopy. Thank you, Miss Canopy. Is a milk we are coming a friend. Mobile money is come home, but mobile money say 2 chances on the Sana, you must treat him for them on 2 phone. And I got only a bear, my Michiff in Libya, and my white scan the battery. The risk can't to view, let them phone, so sir. Not young way, I don't know what you
come the disc cannot tell you maybe.
Ah, okay, what a young way. But me here, stew. I mean, here, a 2 mist stew and a bean stew. And when you're only a bema, they get Santa ready. Santa, do for him. I told the Bia, the 2 million, we will be at the same economy.
was a key sweep. Wala kita betul deng penikok pemberikan hau. Saung pasal orang bayar yaru semua. Dokumen ni bayar fangko.
Medical card is a document dia ni mon.
Hey, oh boy, bayar yaru semua. Kau basuh makan kinjai. Na pata.
Documents na manka. Time tira da kamera am. Se documents dia ni mon.
Dia ni mon. Oh boy, basuh makan kinjai. Kasani ai. Dia ada mo. Tabani.
Documents na manka. Time tira da kamera am. Documents dia ni mon.
News we show you. Someone person to be yet see a power as zoom on the Yamaha. For documents, Lebra, let me know good feet.
Me say documents behind me one.
Samu. The what? What? Opa, can someone to send me? See us in the